Everyone, thanks for joining for script number 11 here. So for this script, we'll ensure a systemd um, manage service is running in the system. So if the service is stopped, then we will start it. So for this one, what we'll do is we will use Docker. So systemctl. As you can see, Docker is running. So what we'll do is we'll stop Docker for now. So we're going to systemctl stop Docker to stop this. So if you can go back and see, it is enabled, but it's not running right now. So it's loaded, but status is, yes, as you can see, it's not it's inactive. So okay, so we'll get started with the bash script first. Okay, so first we will declare a variable. So if the parameter is provided, we'll use that parameter. If not, then it defaults to Docker service. Check if service is up. Use systemctl is active to check if the service is active or not. If it's not running, we'll just print out a message it's not running, so we are restarting or starting in this case. And then we'll recheck. And we'll just basically copy paste this. We'll repurpose this code block here. So if systemctl if it's running after this has run, then we are good. And else we'll just put in if this failed to start. Actually, let's do something here. Okay, so we want to copy paste this here, right there. The reason we are moving it here is because first we want to check if the service is running. If not, then we do all this, and since if it's not running, it'll attempt to start it, and then within the same code block, what it'll do is it will recheck again to see if it's running. If it is, then that's great. If not, then it obviously fails. So it just say that it's the service failed to start. So we're going to remove this from the second one here. So let's control and save this, and then we will do sudo chmod plus x, and then script 11 sh, and then we will run this one. So it's inactive starting. Let's run this again. Since line 3 batch substitution is because, as you can see, I made a typo here. So the $sign will be outside. So let's run this again. Okay, Dogger is running. So yeah, so we're good. So if we also double check this one here, it's running again. So we're gonna stop this again for our Python script. So we'll do the Python script next. So the Python script is going to be a longer one. So let's get started on this one. So we're going to import some modules here, so sub processes, and then sys module, and then we'll declare a variable here. So we are taking the first parameter if it's given as the service name. If not, then we are defaulting to Docker service, and then we go to check if service is running. So this subprocess dot run will pass in these parameters. So it'll be the same utility system cdl, and then is active, and then we'll provide comma and the compatibility value. So it's a comma and then svc. and then capture output true, and then text equals true. So what it does is just checking if the service is active, and we'll go to the next line here. So if the check return code is 0, that means the service is active. If not, then it'll attempt to, that'll mean it's inactive and we'll have to start it, right? So let's go to, why is this giving me this error? Okay, so it's and then we're going to return, also comment actually, just so whoever's checking this code, they can know how the script is working here. So else we'll print out the service is inactive. We're starting the service, and then we're going to use subprocess.run, and then we'll pass in command here, system commands, which should be pretty much systemcdl, and you can guess we're going to pass in start, and then the service name itself. Let's check our work here. Okay, there is space. Okay. And then we'll also put in code for to verify this. Verify this the service is up, because confirmation is important as system admin that, hey, you're attempting to start something, has this started, or we have to kind of retry things like that, right? So verify, we'll put in variable here, verify subprocess that run. Actually, this will be the same thing, right? So we're checking if the subprocess is subprocess checking if the service is active or not, and then we'll also capture the input. So yeah, we have to copy this over as well, and then we're checking the return code if verify dot return code equals 0. Then we'll print this. We could have just copied all these. So it's running, or in this case we'll say started successfully. But if we run into an error for whatever reason, we'll put in it failed to start, and then We just failed to start. And then in this case we will also include something like check logs with journal ctl -u and then svc. So it'll give us log entries related to the service, and which will capture the errors and things like that, why it failed. So we'll also actually put this here in our bash script as well. So we'll save our script here. And then we will filter cert, it'll be like $svc. Okay, so let's execute this one. Start svc, run, there's an error. Okay, line 16. It actually tells me what the issue is. There's a comma missing, so you just have to put in a comma, and we'll try again here. So let's see, save, make sure we didn't make the same mistake anywhere else. Service. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so it started. So let's take a look here. Can verify this. As you can see, it started. Okay, so that's it. That's a short script for to start stop services in Bash and Python.